Bitcoin is rallying really nicely above 24,000. And this Wednesday, the new CPI index will be released for July. And it's expected that we're going to start seeing the inflation is going to start peaking, or it's going to be a sign that inflation is peaking, because we only see CPI increasing by 0.2% compared to the previous month of 1.3%. It's not just Bitcoin is rallying. Every market is doing really well today. Like I see the futures are doing really well. I think the markets are just about to open in America. Yeah, the market's rallying because traders can start pricing in, or at least forecasting what's coming around the corner. Like there's not going to be any surprises in terms of high inflation. And there is some good news, at least. There's another 430 billion climate bill, or the Inflation Reduction Act, which was just passed by the House. So, as pointed out by CNBC, one of the solar ETFs climbed by 4% in early trading. Which brings me on nicely to Climate DAO. It's a DAO which Mark Cuban is invested in right now in 2022. It's a DAO which enables you to offset your carbon footprint, because the digital currency backed by a real carbon asset. I was taking a look through that app, and it's just really nice. Like one Klima is equivalent to 1 ton of, and you can offset based on specific or carbon type. So it's VCT, which is the most common form of carbon. So you can just go ahead and purchase that token, and then in the offset you go here and then you say like how many tons of carbon would you like to offset. Then for example, if you owned one in here, pay with one, you cannot pay one, and then you can go ahead and just offset your carbon footprint. So you can put my wallet address or your wallet address. Of course not my one, because you put your X, and it's really good. It's easy as that. Like you can do this straight on the blockchain. And this ClimaDAO, they're running on Polygon. I think I'll be looking into ClimaDAO. Like they look really interesting. They're a crypto project which has a real impact on society and can actually change the world we live in today. So I see huge potential, and definitely any asset which is or any product which is helping to improve the environment we live in is what is the next high growth industry. Bitcoin's selling really nicely now. 24k, but as you see, there's a resistance at 24.4k, and if we go higher up, there's resistance. There's definitely resistance at 26k, and there's multiple points of resistance at 28, all the way up to 30, and I'm sure there's more up until 32. So it's not going to be an easy ride up to 30k from here. There are multiple points of resistance for Bitcoin to break through. We could definitely be heading back down once more. If we go up to 26k and we don't break through the resistance, or Bitcoin doesn't break through this resistance and goes back down to 22k or 23k, it's a perfectly healthy correction.